What is the greatest common divisor of positive integers m and n? Clue 1 doesn't work independently because it only gives me information about m. Clue 2, 2n equals 7m. Well, let's see, that's m over n equals, or n over m, doesn't matter, n over m equals 7 over 2. Okay? All right, so if n is 7 and m is 2, then the greatest common divisor is 1. Now, if, let me see, if I let n be 14, if I let m be 14 and n be 14 and m be, hold on, and m be 4, that gives me 7 over 2. But the GCD of this would be 2. So I'm getting conflicting information. So clue 2 does not work by itself. Now let's put both of them together. Clue 1, we know m is prime, and we know m is prime, and we know that n over m is 7/2. So m is prime. See, 4 wasn't prime up here. So m must equal 2 and n must equal 7. Therefore, greatest common divisor must equal 1.